Students, now we are learning the applications of quadratic equation. Application means how to use the quadratic equation for solving the problems around us. Then what are the steps to solve the examples? First of all, read the example carefully. Second, understand the meaning of the words which are given in the example. Then next step is, according to the conditions in the given example, identify the relation between the described quantities. Then next step is to prepare the equations according to the conditions. And the next step is solve the equations. Here is the example. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Pragati's present age is not given here. Now we are considering her present age as x. That's why write down, let Pragati's present age be x years. Now in the first sentence, two ages are described here. That means age which is 2 years ago and the second age is 3 years hence. Her age 2 years ago was, we have to subtract 2 from the present age. Then we get the 2 years ago, the age 2 years ago. That's why x minus 2 years. Now, what is the age 3 years hence? 3 years hence means 3 years from now. So that we have to add 3 in the present age. Her age 3 years hence will be x plus 3 years. These two ages, how we have to use here, and the condition is given that the product of these two ages, and that is 84. That's why I am writing here, from the given condition, x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now multiply by the first term of the first bracket to whole second bracket and by second term to the whole second bracket is equal to 84. Now multiply by x into x to x square, x into 3, 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into plus minus, 2 3s are 6 is equal to 84. Now x square as it is, 3x minus 2x means plus x, minus 6, transfer this 84 to the left, it becomes negative, x square plus x minus 90, both are negative, add them together, minus 90 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now factorize this 90, product of a and c is minus 90, factorize this, plus 10 and minus 9 are the factors. X square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now take x from the first two, x as the common. Uncommon things write down in the bracket. Minus 9 as the common from the last two terms. Write down the uncommon things in the bracket. Now in between these two, x plus 10 is common. Now take x plus 10 as the common and write down uncommon things in the second bracket and then equal to 0. Then write down two separate equations, x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now transpose the constant terms of both the equation to the right side, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to plus 9. But we can't measure the age in the negative format. That's why I write down, but age cannot be negative. That means x is equal to minus 10 is not acceptable. Then what is acceptable? X is equal to 9, it is a positive value. Therefore x is equal to 9. To whom we have considered as x in the beginning of the example. We have considered here Pragati's present age as x years. That's why I at last write down the answer in words. Pragati's present age is 9 years. In this way, we have to solve the word example. Here is the second example. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Find their present ages. Two persons are mentioned here and one is described on the basis of other. Here Vivek is described on the basis of Kishore. That means Kishore is the base. That's why consider it as X. That's why I am writing here in the beginning. Let the present age of Kishore be X years. Because Vivek is described on the basis of Kishore. Now I am considering present age of Kishore as X years. And from that I can write the present age of Vivek. Then write down present age of Vivek is X plus 5 years because he is 5 years older than Kishore. Now these two are the ages. But what is the condition given here? The sum of reciprocals of their ages. That means we have to write down the reciprocals of these ages. Now I am writing to the next step. The reciprocals of their ages are, the reciprocal of X is 1/X and the reciprocal of X plus 5 is 1/X plus 5 respectively. Now condition is that the sum of reciprocals is 1/6. That's why I write down 1/X plus 1/X plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Now take the LCM. X into X plus 5. Do the cross multiplication. X plus 5 plus X is equal to 1/6. Now do the cross multiplication. 6 into 2x plus 5 in bracket. Multiply by x square plus 5x to 1. X square plus 5x. Now multiply by 6 to the terms which are in the bracket. 6 2s are 12x. 6 5s are 30. X square plus 5x as it is. Now write down these to the left side and these to the right side. X square plus 5x is equal to 12x plus 30. Now transpose the 12x to the left, it becomes minus, and plus 30 to the left, it becomes minus 30. Now x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. The addition of these two is minus 7x. X square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now solve this. The product of A and C is minus 30. Factorize minus 30. Minus 10 and plus 3 are the factors. X square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Take common from the first two and the last two. From first two x as the common. Uncommon things write down in the bracket. Plus 3 as the common. Write down uncommon things in the bracket is equal to 0. In between these two, x minus 10, this bracket is common. Write down uncommon things means x plus 3 in the another bracket is equal to 0. Then write down two separate equations. X minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now transpose the constants to the right side. X is equal to plus 10 or x is equal to minus 3. But we can't measure the age in the negative format. That's why I write down. But the age cannot be negative. X is equal to minus 3 is not acceptable. Then what is acceptable? X is equal to 10. To whom we have considered as x in the beginning of the example. The present age of Kishore we have considered as x, and that is 10 years. The value of x is 10 years. That's why the present age of Kishore is 10 years. And the present age of Vivek we have considered as x plus 5. Write down 10 in place of x. 10 plus 5, that's why it is equal to 15 years. In this way we have to solve the word examples.